Hey there! Today we're talking about how to get rid of plaque and tartar at home. What are plaque and tartar? Plaque is a sticky film that builds up on your teeth. Tartar is hardened plaque that only a dentist can remove. Why are they bad? Plaque and tartar can lead to cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. How to get rid of plaque and tartar? 1. Brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes each time. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. 2. Floss once a day. Flossing removes plaque and food particles from between your teeth. 3. Use mouthwash. Mouthwash can help kill bacteria in your mouth. DIY plaque removal techniques. Baking soda. Mix baking soda with water to form a paste and brush your teeth with it. Apple cider vinegar. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water and rinse your mouth with it. Remember, these DIY methods are not a substitute for brushing, flossing, and seeing your dentist. A healthy diet and avoiding smoking can also help prevent plaque and tartar buildup. Take care of your teeth and they'll take care of you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.